Yeah, hi, here we are pressing very beautiful cranberry seed oil. As you can see, the cranberry seed is right here. It's been cleaned and dried, which we do ourselves. And it's got, as you can see, this is a vacuum loader that loads the seed up into vulva for the seed, where it will then be fed down by gravity into the head, where it's pressed. The oil, you can see the oil dripping here. This is cranberry seed oil being fresh pressed, cold pressed. And as the fiber comes out the end, you can see it falls into this auger, and the auger transports it up and into the fiber bag. And this is the fiber bag being filled with the cranberry seed fiber.